Hi everyone and welcome back to this new video. I'm back passionate. Welcome to my channel. And today, yes, I know I've got the same outfit, but I explained you in my previous video, it is less hot today where I am living, so I will try to film a bunch of videos, so don't be afraid to see me with the same outfit. I need to have a strategy during summer. So, as I explained you, I'm going to show you in this video the very first item I bought during the Longchamp Summer Sale, and I bought it directly on the website at the very first day of the sale here in France. I don't know when I will launch this video, so maybe it will be the end of the summer sale. Here is the item, so let's go. I ordered on the Longchamp website only one item, and I don't know when I will release it, but I will do a video concerning the item I finally did not buy and explain you all the process in my head and my reflection. But this item, I really wanted it, and I'm sure that when you see the box, you understand what I finally picked. It was on my wish list, and it was a kind of bit risky to take it because I haven't seen it in real. I have seen a bunch of the collection in the boutique, but this item was not present. So it's always a little bit risk. Okay, I know I can send it back to Longchamp, but I will insert the clip of the unboxing, but here we are. So I picked. So you have the Longchamp tag. ASMR time. No, I'm kidding you. Yes, I picked the Longchamp Foulonné pouch, and as I told you, I am laughing because you all know I have already talked about it a bunch of times. This is not Foulonné leather. This is not Foulonné leather at all. It is really smooth calfskin leather, vegetally tan, and it's quite surprising they called it Le Foulonné, which is a coin grain leather, not vegetally tan. So that's so funny. And this little part is also very soft, and so let's open it. Boop. And this is in métis leather, and you can feel it when you touch it. This is really métis leather, and this is calfskin leather. So here is the pouch. I'm going to write the dimension, and of course you know my love for leather, and I got a real passion this year for vegetally tan leather, so I had to have it, and it was not a great bargain, but I am still happy to have it on sale. It used to retail, I'm sorry my friend, I will say in euro. If I got the clip with the price in American dollar, I will insert it. It used to retail 200 euro, and I finally paid 140 euro, which is quite a price. It's high. Seriously, it's really high, because if you follow my channel, you know that another French brand which is making real nice with French leather, vegetally tan, Atelier Fourès, they are also realizing pouch, which are incredible. But you know, I am also a Longchamp lover, and I need to add it to my collection. But the price is crazy. Seriously, 140 euro for this. I needed to be crazy to have paid this price, seriously. But I am still happy to not have paid the full price. So you've got a zip, and oh, okay, you can also wear it as a clutch. Seriously, I won't use it as a clutch because I'm not a very clutch person. I prefer small bags if I go to an event, but yes, you can turn it to a clutch thanks to this nice wristlet. So you've got a zip at the top, and you have it, and it is raw leather. So of course it's a big one. Of course I will fit a bunch of items. I don't know, I don't think I will use pen in it, seriously, because I prefer my Roseau essential pouches and my Foulonné pouches, I want to say. But I am quite happy to add it to my collection. because it's beautiful. I know it will get a lovely patina and scratches, and I'm really curious to show it to you later how it will age. I love the design. I think the design is really funny with this little orange tab. Let's see if it bothers me when I use it, or also this bracelet, if it is kind of boring. I will tell you everything later, but I have to say, I'm super happy to have it in my collection. It's a nice item. Let's be honest, it's pricey, but it's a nice item. And I can tell you the leather is everything. And oh my God, I love so much leather. I know it's a bad addiction. I know, my friend, I know. So here it is. And this is the only item I bought on the Longchamp website. Because you know me, my friend, I always hunt to have the best bargain. And I got many things on my wish list, but I want to get it at the best price. So you will see, I'm going to make several videos of what I have bought during the sales, and you will see that finally I order them on several places. Because first of all, sometimes you got different color from the Longchamp website. You've got better bargain when as I explained you. And yes, I want to expand, to grow my collection with the best strategy, let's be honest. And especially when you see that the Longchamp prices are skyrocketing. So, that's the very first video concerning the Longchamp Summer Sale. If you have any question concerning this pouch or any other things related to Longchamp, do not be afraid and leave me a comment. I will be more than happy to answer you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It's free and it's helped me a lot. Thanks for your support. Till the next video, take care. And I repeat, don't be afraid if you see me in the same outfit. It is hot summer here in Provence, so today it's less hot. I think I'm going to spend a bunch of time filming videos, so excuse my outfit, but I repeat, I need to have strategy if I want to provide you some nice video during summer. Take care, I love you, and we see you soon. Bye bye, my friend.